All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about tool carnage. So I've got two cars tore apart behind the camera. I'm going to show some of the tool carnage, and yes, I use my tools. I got done with the day and left everything where I left it, so I figured I'd take you on a little tour of how I wound up leaving the situation. So, Milwaukee tool there, Milwaukee ratchet there. Remember, I told you I liked it for cranks. Mirror right there, light right there, panel clip tool right there. Oh, another Milwaukee tool right there. More Milwaukee tools. Oh, another Milwaukee tool. Panel clip tool. And our 1234YF machine. Obviously did a condenser, AC line. But yep, this is how I shut down for the day. Can you say I was done for the day? As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.